Let me tell you a story about an interesting conversation I had today with one of my clients. Now, she is making the big move to buy her first investment property. But she still has some doubts because she thinks that, it's me alone. I'm a single mother and it's just me alone doing my thing. But I said to her, look here, it's not that it's you alone. Think from a financial perspective. What you are earning is a lot more than people earn when they are in a committed long-term marriage or relationship. Focus on the fact that you are in a position to make change for you and your children. And it is on you to define that future for your kids. They're seeing their mom make money moves. They're seeing their mom buy investment properties. Do you know how powerful that is? And that really lifted her spirit and put her in that, mindset that, I can and I will be doing the thing because it's bigger than me. It's bigger than me buying a second property. It's about my kids also seeing their future and their legacy being created. And that's very inspiring to them. If this is something you've been thinking about, you want to buy additional properties or you want to make more investments, but you're limiting yourself to think that, it's you alone and it's you trotting the streets alone. I want to challenge you to think bigger, think from a financial perspective and think of the impact you are making for your children, because it's not just that, love and I can't do this by myself. It is bigger. It is the love that I have for my kids. That's what's going to propel me to make the moves that I need to make so that their financial future looks much brighter, don't it?